This is my beautiful client, Melanie, and just wait until you see her in the end. Her hair is epic. For makeup, I'm doing Pink Glam. Let's go. So we always have to give the face a drink. We feather in the eyebrows with some powder. And I want to make her really glowy, so I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. And now she's glowing. I prep her eyes with some concealer. I use my Pillow Talk palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I put the lightest matte shade in her crease. And this is a staple in my kit. This is Kitten from Stila, the liquid version, and I'm putting this just on the eyelid. Then I'm tapping in a little bit of a dark mauve color just in the outer corner of her eye. To prep her eyes for lashes, I do liquid liner, lashes, and then more liquid liner. I highly recommend getting one of these eyeliner pens. They are so much easier to apply eyeliner, and it's waterproof. So I'm taking the color NC13 and NC30, and I am pushing that all into her face. So I'm tapping all over just to add a more medium coverage. For concealer, it's the Too Faced Born This Way in Swan. That goes all underneath her eye, and then when I'm done, I'm making sure that I go over with my foundation brush and tap it back into the skin. I'm contouring with MAC Matte Bronze, and then I'm using the color Ecstasy for her blush. Then I'm putting a little bit of a light pink eyeshadow just right underneath her eye. It's more of a mauvey tone under the eye. This is a Laura Mercier Caviar stick, but I'm using it as a highlighting stick and just putting it in some of my favorite areas. Highlighter to all the high points of her face. NYX Lace Detail and Marc Sugar Sugar for lip gloss. And here is her after. I mean, the hair, I'm just so obsessed with the hair. The whole look came together so good.